Good afternoon, everybody, from the Storm Tracker Weather Center. We got some severe weather to get you caught up on, so let's go right to our Storm Tracker Doppler radar. And we have multiple reports of hail this afternoon going on across parts of the viewing area. We have several areas of concern. Let's start you from north to south. Start you off up across the North Country right now. One cell that has produced penny-sized hail, though it is beginning to weaken just a bit, it looks like, just to the west of Remsen, even though it does look strong. Moving off to the north and east has prompted a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Oneida as well as northern Herkimer and Hamilton counties. 203 in Northwood, 208 in Ohio, Noblesboro at 216. As the storm works its way into the Adirondacks, this will pass to the east of Old Forge and south of Old Forge as well. So if you live in Old Forge, nothing to be concerned with at this point in time. New cell not warned, but in southern Oneida County has a history of producing penny-sized hail in New Hartford as well as multiple pea-sized hail reports in that area. This cell right here, we'll just do a track off to the east here. East Schuyler at 203, Johnson Corners at 204, Cass Bridge at 210. Little Falls by 221. Would not be surprised to see a warning go shortly in southern Herkimer County with this storm. Another storm that we have been watching for over an hour now down in Otsego County, the worst of which, thankfully, is passing south of Cooperstown. But this does still potentially have some large hail with it, although it too has also shown some signs of beginning to weaken just a bit. 2:11 p.m. in Westford, 2:19 in Decatur. Let's adjust that track now and follow the strongest part of this storm now. Decatur 216, Calcutta 221, East Worcester, the Skenevis area 222 with this storm. And this will likely pass right over Elk Creek just north of Skenevis. This could have some perhaps quarter to ping pong ball sized hail with it. We've had some large hail reports with this storm, so if there is a storm in our viewing area that is going to be causing us problems right now, we think it's going to be that one. But also, we're also talking about more storms back here to the west that are going to continue to move on through the same areas that have picked up perhaps 1 to 3 inches of rain. There is a flood advisory that goes for these areas for another several hours. Otsego and Shenango counties. Severe thunderstorm warning is set to expire but may be extended down that way. And again, areas of southern Herkimer, even though you're not under a warning, stay indoors because this storm does have a history of producing some penny-sized hail across parts of southern Oneida County. More storms back here to the west in Cortland and also back along the Lake Ontario shoreline. These are going to be working this way over the next several hours. It is possible that new storms do begin to fire up. Obviously, with the U.S. Open about to begin, we're going to be cautious in cutting in here over the next couple of hours. So we're going to try and keep you posted with about 15-second updates every half hour or so during commercial breaks and into the first part of the U.S. Open. We'll keep you posted. As always, check anytime WKTV.com and our weather blog for all updates. We now return you to regular programming.